What's up, everyone? Today we are finally looking at the motorhome so many of you have been waiting for, the Bürstner Signature SMT on a Mercedes-Benz chassis. Following the huge response to the Fiat version last year, Bürstner has brought the three-pointed star to this lineup, combining premium elegance with some really clever engineering. When you're behind the wheel, you're looking at a standard 150 horsepower engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. One of the biggest technical advantages here is the chassis flexibility, because unlike the Fiat version where you have to choose a light or heavy chassis up front, this Mercedes model allows you to easily switch between a 3.5 and a 4.5-ton weight rating depending on your needs. Inside the cab, you get the full MBUX multimedia experience with intuitive voice control, a high-quality reversing camera, and safety features like crosswind assist to keep things stable on the road. Everything is also fully compliant with the latest GSR2 safety standards. Moving into the living area, the signature highlights really shine through. You've got the option for a patented seating lounge that quickly converts into travel-safe seats and a flexible table that slides out of the way to make moving around the cabin effortless. For the kitchen, the premium option turns a standard setup into an L-shaped workspace with an extendable counter, an electrically adjustable shelf, and a dedicated fridge-freezer drawer. The bathroom is another area where Bürstner uses a patented sliding technique to transform the toilet space into a spacious shower with just one movement. When it's time to sleep, you can choose from 4 different floor plans featuring either single beds or a queen-size bed, all equipped with high-quality mattresses and spring systems for a better night's rest. If you need more space, you can even add an optional drop-down bed. For those who love off-grid travel, the SMT comes with a 200-liter fresh water tank and 150 Ah lithium battery. There's even a new diesel heating system and an optional induction cooktop if you want to go completely gas-free. You can check it out in standard Arctic white or go for the optional stone gray, with plenty of ways to customize the exterior decals and interior finishes. This new Signature SMT will make its official premiere at the Caravan Salon 2026, with prices starting at €93,999.